This is a demonstration of my hands-free computing setup period. My hands will remain in the air throughout this entire video period. I use NaturallySpeaking so that I can talk to my computer rather than use a keyboard period. In addition, to facilitate getting around the screen, I use an infrared mouse combined with a foot pedal so that I can control the mouse with my head and my feet, period. As you can see, as I move my head, the cursor moves around the screen, period. Also, although you can't see it, below the table is a 3-button foot pedal which allows me to click, right-click, and drag, period. Microphone off. Sometimes I get a little bit ahead of NaturallySpeaking, but it's a fantastic tool. So NaturallySpeaking replaces the keyboard. To replace the mouse, you need 2 pieces of technology. In the Firefox window behind me, you see the SmartNav Natural Point homepage. This is the infrared mouse that I'm currently using right now. It reflects off of this silver dot on my microphone boom. So as I move my head, you can watch the mouse pass over the menus. And then using the foot pedal, I can select a menu, say Contact Us, and click it, and here's the Contact Us page. The foot pedal I'm using is by a company called X-Keys. You can see it in the photograph right there. It has 3 buttons, and they allow you to do things like click, right-click. And combining that with the infrared mouse, you have everything you need to control the mouse cursor without using your hands. Finally, to top off my setup, I like Mac OS X. I don't like Windows. Now, unfortunately, NaturallySpeaking only runs on Windows. The way I get around this is I use a program called Parallels Desktop. It allows you to run Mac OS X and Windows concurrently at the same time, side by side. You can see it right here. This is a Windows window, obviously, because it's blue and red. And this is the Mac OS X window because it's got that brushed metal look, and the little buttons are on the left side instead of the right. Also, if you want to use Parallels Desktop to run things like Microsoft Office, nothing is stopping you. So a lot of people have to have Word or Excel installed, and that prevents them from getting a Mac, but this gets around that problem. And you can use NaturallySpeaking in Microsoft Word. This is an example of me using NaturallySpeaking inside of Microsoft Word, period. Sometimes, it does take a little bit of time to catch up, period. You can talk as fast as you want, though, because it will always catch up to what you are saying, period. Microphone off. And that is my demonstration of a completely hands-free computing experience. Number 1, NaturallySpeaking, so you don't need a keyboard. Number 2, an infrared mouse, which is here. SmartNav by Natural Point. It allows you to control the cursor with your head. Number 3, the X-Keys foot pedal by Pi Engineering, combined with, finally, Parallels Desktop, which gives you all the power of Windows on your Mac. Put all those together, and you've got yourself a wonderful, relaxing, hands-free computing experience. So I'm using Screenium to record this, by the way. Capture and stop.